Welcome to Jar Masala, and today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken and cheese quesadilla using our salad and fruit masala.
So we're going to start with some raw tortillas, and then I have some chicken nuggets that I baked and just cut them into smaller pieces, and then I have some Mexican style cheese, shredded cheese, and then I'm going to use ghee, which is basically clarified butter, but you can also use butter if you don't have ghee. And then I have some salsa here that I'm going to layer it in our quesadillas. And I'm using the Kroger brand thick and chunky salsa. It's really good. And then we're going to season using our fruit and salad masala. So I'm going to add some ghee. We're going to let one side get cooked, and then I will add our chicken and cheese and our seasoning. We add our salsa. Chicken, I'm going to add some cheese, and I'm going to add our seasoning. Add the seasoning to your taste. I'm just going to sprinkle some over it.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simple and delicious recipes, and follow us on Instagram. To order your spice kit, visit www.jarmasala.com.